Facebook, Vicky Blades, your video coach here, and Facebook has just had a little glitch on my computer telling me that I'm not allowed to use this feature because I've been too active or something. I've honestly no idea what's going on, so I'm here on my phone instead, but that's okay. We can work this way. Today my hashtag Top Tips Tuesday is all about my upcoming workshop on Thursday. And I can't wait to tell you all about it. I'm going to show you my my whiteboard, which has got all my scribbles on, which I probably need to refer to in a minute actually, regarding the workshop. I've been doing my presentation in Canva this morning and I'm just so excited to share the information. Slightly worried there's too much to squeeze into an hour. As always trying to squeeze too much in and wanting to give extra value. So, what do I want to tell you about my workshop? Well, I wanted to share a picture on my screen, thank you, about an idea that I had actually, oh, look how shiny I am, actually about 2 years ago, I think, and definitely 1 year ago. It was my signature system. It was called the V5 system. Actually, there was a few iterations. There was a V6 and a V8. But my V5 system is all about, no, can you see it behind me there? Visibility, vulnerability, values. That's in two parts because it's about the value you give and the values that you have. Then it's about vision and vitality. So it's kind of 5 plus 1, if you like. So that's my V5 signature system. Now, I never pursued this. This was going to be my signature course. This is what I wanted to teach on a kind of 4-week group program. And I never went ahead with it because when I mentioned it to a coach I had at the time, she wasn't overly enthusiastic. Then I mentioned it to someone building my website and she was a bit like, oh, I don't quite get it. You want to put it on the website or you don't want to put it on the website? And then I had, over the summer, I had another business coach and she was not at all keen. She wanted me to do something entirely different. And the interesting thing is, I mean, I totally just like bought into that. It's like, yeah, okay, it's a rubbish idea. Clearly, why would I do that? But I really believed in it and I never even gave it a go. And I'm annoyed with myself because in the shower the other day, and you might have read my post about this, I just suddenly had the clearest vision being one of the V5s, just suddenly had the clearest vision about how this workshop should go, how it should flow, what it should contain. And I got so excited. And I got so excited because it felt so right. And the idea that felt right was the idea that I had ages and ages and ages, a year ago, if not more. And I wish I'd stuck with it. I wish I'd stuck with it and just given it a go. I obviously didn't know as much as I do now a year ago, but I think I could have just tried it. So that's why I'm so excited about this workshop, the V5 signature system that I'm going to be using from now on, because I totally believe in it and I totally thought about it ages ago and I feel like it's the right way to go. So let's talk about the workshop. The workshop takes place Thursday, 24th of February, 12:30 UK time. It's 1 hour long. There is a chance to ask questions at the end for sure. Come and attend live. There's a special freebie that I haven't released before that you'll only get if you come live. If you want to get on the mailing list to get the notifications, the reminders, you might also get that freebie and of course access to the replays. You need to sign in via Eventbrite or drop me a DM and I can add you manually. I'll just need your email, that's all. So, how to shine online with camera confidence and sell. You'll follow the system. I will introduce you to what each section means, why it's important to incorporate these things into your videos, and actually how you don't have to do sales videos per se. A lot of the selling that we do via video is this kind of stuff, giving value, being visible, building the know, like and trust factor, without me coming on here and going, buy my thing, because it's really amazing. Although there is room for that as well. So come along to the workshop on Thursday, bring a friend, and I'm going to reveal to you how you can sell using video, but without being salesy, without being icky. In fact, almost without doing any kind of sales video at all. And when you do make your videos, I want you to feel like it's easy, and I want you to feel like it's fun. And that's really, really important to me, because the more you feel like it's difficult or hard or techie or time consuming, the less likely you are to do it. So clients that have worked with me in the past have always said, thank goodness, how amazed they were at how quick it can be making videos. Like, you literally can go bang, 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 3 videos, done. And then of course, it's all about repurposing, rinse, repeat, and so on. So for me, shining online with camera confidence, I can absolutely 1000% get you to do that. Got many, many, many techniques in my toolbox. Selling online, yes, I can 100% get you to do that as well. So come to my workshop on Thursday, learn about my new V5 signature system, learn from the mistakes that I've made in not being more visible, doubting myself, not putting myself out there, being afraid of making mistakes. All of the above will be discussed, and come along and ask questions and get those fabulous freebies as well. Okay, so thank you, Facebook, for kicking me out of my own live. What is going on? And as always, I want to know if you're with me live, hey. If you're watching on replay, press hashtag replay and let me know if you're coming to the workshop or not. I really, really hope to see you there, because it's time to shine online with camera confidence and sell, sell, sell.